Welcome to IMS, your premier destination for unlocking the doors to academic excellence and boundless opportunities. We foster a culture of educational empowerment, where students from all walks of life thrive and excel. Our comprehensive suite of services extends beyond traditional scholarship assistance, providing personalized guidance, extensive resources, and unwavering support for your smooth and successful academic journey. From navigating complex application processes to securing coveted admissions, our dedicated team accompanies you every step of the way. Join us at IMS and embark on a transformative educational experience that shapes your future and empowers you to reach new heights of success. With IMS, you're not just a student, you're part of a community dedicated to your success. Trust IMS to be there with you every step of your academic journey. Apply with us through www.imsscholarships.com.